I'd like to welcome here at the Embedded World in Nuremberg, Jim McElroy. He is Marketing Vice President at LDRA Technology. Welcome.
Thank you very much for having me.
Thank you. Today we will talk about software lifecycle and software verification. Jim, what are you presenting at the show?
Well, first of all, if you're not familiar with LDRA, we provide software verification tools and services to our customers who are developing safety critical and security critical applications. So here at the show, we actually have 3 announcements. One of those announcements pertains to a product release that we have coming out. Actually, we have a patent on that product. We'll talk a little bit more about that. The other 2 releases are more partnership relationships, which distinguish us in the industry for safety and security critical.
I think with TI, you have a very important relationship right now.
Yeah, absolutely. TI has been a trusted partner of ours for quite some time, and in fact, they've been using our tools quite extensively. What we've done in this collaboration is TI has actually utilized our technology to provide a unified solution to the market to help our joint customers, primarily TI customers, develop safety critical applications in the industrial and automotive sectors. So now with their Hercules SafeTI Compliance Package, their customers basically get everything that they need for compliance in a box. So it's a very compact environment ensuring safety critical applications for them.
That sounds great. And could you please tell me more about the TBmanager?
TBmanager. So our TBmanager product line is very unique in the industry and recently patented. What we're able to do with that product line is give our customers the ability to provide traceability from standards objectives and people responsible for developing their systems all the way from requirements into design, development, code, verification, actually all the way down into the code level. So you have bidirectional traceability from both a technology and a process perspective with the TBmanager product line, which is very unique in the industry.
And what about customer support?
On the customer side of things?
Yes.
For them developing safety critical applications, they have to prove compliance, if you will, to the safety standards, and this gives that transparency into their development and verification process.
Okay. And do you see some trends right now in the embedded market?
No question about it. There's some very key things happening, particularly in the hardware space, where they're moving more and more into functional safety environments. And frankly, they're relying on a company like LDRA to provide that trusted advisor technology, if you will, for those safety critical platforms. So that's one trend, the consolidation in the hardware market. The other one, I would say, is consolidation in the tools themselves.
What does this exactly mean?
It means customers don't want to go and get individual point solutions from all the different tool providers that are out there. They want to consolidate into individual solution providers that provide the core technologies for software quality metrics, static analysis, dynamic analysis, and such.
Okay, great. And what about Aeroconseil?
Oh, the relationship with Aeroconseil is very important, particularly for our European customers. Clearly, Aeroconseil is a well-respected aerospace service provider here in Europe, and with this relationship, now they have access to our technology and provide that to the market. What that does for LDRA is, of course, it gives us that European resource out there in the market that we have on a global basis. And this is a great relationship to provide both services and technology to our European customers.
Okay. Talking about a little bit about the strategy, what are your future plans?
Without giving too much up, of course, you see a pattern around our TBmanager product line. For LDRA, we're very much focused on safety and security critical markets. So you'll see continuing evolution in our product line in those areas, helping our customers deliver safer, more secure products to market faster.
Okay. Thank you, Jim, for this interview and for the insights in your company portfolio.
Thank you very much for having me.